I cannot say enough good about this Polaris 4-wheel drive VRX IQ Plus. This is a workhorse of a pool cleaner. This great cool automatic robot cleaner I have had for a few years now, and it keeps on ticking. It's lasted for years and it will last for years. One of the great things about a corded pool cleaner is the ability to put it in the pool and let it run on a scheduled recurring basis. It has a great app that allows you to do that. And you can see on the app the temperature, the cycle of it. You can start, stop it, you can control it, and it lets you know if it's full, if it needs any maintenance. It has these massive 4 wheels that gives it 4-wheel drive. Look at these guys. And in addition to that, it has these Caterpillar treads in the front that make for great wall climbing. It has a great system navigation and obstacle avoidance feature to it. It is a big, powerful machine, and it comes with a caddy to get it to and from the pool when you do need to empty it or pull it out occasionally. Pool cleaner, in addition to those wheels, it has these little wheels on the back, which are really nice. It helps you be able to roll it when you need to. It has this great large area that sucks in the debris, and it is plentiful. And one of the best things about it is it doesn't need to be emptied very often. It has a very large debris canister. It pops right out like this, and look how big it is. It has very fine mesh, so it gets fleas, it gets sand, it gets anything that might go in there. Look at that. It even picked up a toy that my kids left in the pool. That's amazing. Look at all the debris it caught. I mean, there is very fine debris as well as bugs and leaves. It got all of that. That is incredible. And because it comes with that caddy, it makes it very easy to retrieve. It comes to the edge, and that would have gone into my pool system. It rinses very easily with the hose, and when you're done, you just put it right back in. One-handed, has a little track here, so it gets it right every time. My Polaris is daily, dependable, workhorse, pre-programmed to run every day. Look at it climbing the stairs. It's such a powerful machine. It's so dependable. I don't have to think about it. It just does the cleaning for me. It has several different modes. Each of the cleaning cycles works great. I can have it do the maximum cycle where it does the bottom, the sides, and the climbing every day or every few days. Or I can have a shorter cycle where it does just the bottom or just the bottom and the wall. And I can do it on a different time. I can set it for daily or every few days. It's such a great workhorse. This cord swivels and it takes no effort for it to get all throughout my pool. You can see it's running its pattern, and my pool looks great every day because of this Polaris. I call it daily dependable. Watch how it climbs up this wall with those dual treads, and it cleans all the way up to the water line. It has obstacle avoidance. Look how powerful it is. It's really a terrific machine. A daily workhorse